And so what I have here for you is a USB 3 hub. So what that means is basically it's like an extension cord for your USB 3 devices, a USB 1, USB 2, and also 3. Fantastic, it works great. It has 7 ports right here and also a smart charging port in the end here. So you can charge your phone, different devices, all easy to use. They're all separately controlled bus, which is really important. They all can plug in right into your computer, and also it's powered as well by you plug it in for AC power, and it hooks up right into your computer. So easy to hook up, easy to use. I use mine basically for my backup drives for my hard drives, as you can see here. So all my hard drives are always backed up with my main computer. I use this hub to do that. Also can do other things as well. To turn it on, all you do is hold the button down. And that's when it's activated. To shut off, you have to hold the button down again. Shuts it off. Made out of plastic. I've had it for a while now, and I have to say I've been using it and I've had no issues whatsoever. I definitely recommend this brand. It's a nice quality item. It works fantastic with no issues at all. Definitely the way to go.